Hi, welcome to another video. Today's topic is Amazon Web Service SysOps. So let's start the question.
An organization has configured the custom metric upload with CloudWatch. The organization has given permission to its employees to upload data using CLI as well as SDK. How can the user track the calls made to CloudWatch? Option A, the user can enable logging with CloudWatch, which logs all the activities. Option B, use CloudTrail to monitor the API calls. Option C, create an IAM user and allow each user to log the data using the S3 bucket. And option D, enable detailed monitoring with CloudWatch. The correct answer is option B, use CloudTrail to monitor the API calls. Explanation: AWS CloudTrail is a web service which will allow the user to monitor the calls made to the Amazon CloudWatch API for the organization's account, including calls made by the AWS Management Console, command line interface, and other services. When CloudTrail logging is turned on, CloudWatch will write log files into the Amazon S3 bucket, which is specified during the CloudTrail configuration. Question: a user has created a queue named myQueue with SQS. There are 4 messages published to queue which are not received by the consumer yet. If the user tries to delete the queue, what will happen? Option A, a user can never delete a queue manually. AWS deletes it after 30 days of inactivity on queue. Option B, it will be deleted the queue. Option C, it will initiate the delete but wait for hours before deleting until all messages are deleted automatically. Option D, it will ask user to delete the messages first. The correct answer is B, it will delete the queue. Explanation: SQS allows the user to move data between disrupted component of applications so they can perform different tasks without losing messages or requiring each component to be always available. The user can delete a queue at any time, whether it is empty or not. It is important to note that queues retain messages for a set period of time. By default, a queue retains messages for 4 days. Let's move to the next question. A user has launched a large EBS backed EC2 instance in the US East La region. The user wants to achieve disaster recovery for that instance by creating another small instance in Europe. How can the user use DR? Option A: copy the running instance using the instance copy command to the Europe region. Option B: create an AMI of the instance and copy the AMI to the Europe region. Then launch the instance from the Europe AMI. Option C: copy the instance from the US East region to the Europe region. And option D: use the launch more like this option to copy the instance from one region to another. The correct answer is option B: create an AMI of the instance and copy the AMI to the Europe region. Then launch the instance from the Europe AMI. Explanation: to launch an EC2 instance, it is required to have an AMI in that region. If the AMI is not available in that region, then create a new AMI or use the copy command to copy the AMI from one region to the other region. Question: a user has created numerous EBS volumes. What is the general limit for each AWS account for the maximum number of EBS volumes that can create it? Option A: 10,000. Option B: 5,000. Option C: 100. And option D: 1,000. The correct answer is option B: 5,000.